Avoid these common mistakes, a guide to stress-free solo travel. Hello solo travelers, welcome back to the Vacation Pro channel. Are you ready to plan your next adventure? In this video, I will be discussing the common mistakes that solo travelers often make when planning a vacation. You've packed your bags, but did you make the mistake of overpacking? This is a common issue, and one that I see far too often. Not only is it tiring and cumbersome, but it can also lead to additional fees and hassle at the airport. So, my advice is to pack wisely and pack light. Have you done your research on your destination? This includes considering the climate, culture, and local customs. Knowing what to expect will ensure a smoother and more enjoyable trip. Imagine arriving at your dream destination, only to find that it's raining for the entire trip, or that you're expected to tip a certain amount at restaurants. Don't let these surprises catch you off guard. Do your due diligence and research before departing. Have you booked everything in advance? Booking your travels in advance is another crucial step. Procrastination is the enemy of a successful trip. Don't wait until it's too late to book your flights, accommodations, and activities. By waiting until the last minute, you may find that prices have increased, and options are limited. Take control of your trip and book everything in advance. And have you budgeted for all your activities? Don't forget the importance of budgeting. Many solo travelers neglect to factor in the cost of activities, such as tours and excursions. Make a list of the activities you wish to partake in and budget accordingly. You don't want to find yourself without sufficient funds in the middle of your trip. Have you taken care of your safety? Safety is another critical factor to consider. Don't post on social media in real time. Ensure that you have all of your important documents, such as your passport and visas, with you at all times. Try to blend in with the locals, don't stand out. Be cautious when exploring unfamiliar areas, and trust your instincts. And last but not least, be prepared for the unexpected. Travel gods can be unpredictable. Have you planned for unexpected events? Have a contingency plan in case of transportation cancellations or delays. And don't forget to invest in travel insurance to protect yourself in case of any unexpected events. And there you have it, the common mistakes many solo travelers make when planning a vacation. Remember these tips and have a more enjoyable and stress-free solo travel experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more vacation tips and tricks. Until next time, safe travels. Get ready to plan the vacation of your dreams. Want to know the secret to a stress-free and budget-friendly trip? Look no further because we have the ultimate solution for you. How to plan your vacation in 30 minutes or less. This comprehensive guide is packed with all the tips and tricks you need to plan your dream vacation with ease. Say goodbye to endless hours of research and hello to more time for the fun stuff. So, why wait? Head to Amazon right now and purchase this must-have guide for a seamless and memorable vacation planning experience. Vacation Pro, effortless planning, limitless adventure.